In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear bumper cover on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. With the hatch open, we're going to take these two screws out. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take that out on both sides. Take that washer off also. Underneath, use some trim tools to remove the push pins. There's one right here. This one's cracking. There we go. Just pull that out. That'll separate. Remove this one. There we go. Just pull it out. Remove this wing nut right here. Just twist it out. Separate that. Remove this bolt. Use a 10mm socket. Using a trim tool, take these push pins out on each side. There you go. Pull those out. Using a 10mm socket, take this screw out. Take that out on both sides. Take that out. And just grab the bumper and just firmly pull outwards. And do the same on the other side, and the whole bumper is going to come off. Slides right off. Slide the bumper cover in place. It's in the right position. You just want to push it in. Take the screw, get it started. Now tighten it down. Just snug it. Do the same on the other side. Underneath, put the push pins in, lock those down. Put this plastic wing nut on and snug that down. That's good. Put this screw in, get that started, and tighten it down. Take these screws, put the washers on. Snug those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.